Hi everybody, how are you? I think you are well. Friends, as you know, in this series we are solving the important MCQs of the machines, and we have completed till now the 10 important MCQ of transformer, similarly of DC machine and also the synchronous machine, and today we will solve 10 important MCQs of the induction machine, which is very important for all kind of examination for junior engineering as well as assistant engineering. So let's start to the topic and solve the questions. So first question is in the screen. The question is, leakage flux in an induction motor is option A, flux that leaks through the machine, B, flux that links both stator and rotor windings, and C, both none of winding, and last one option D, flux that links the stator winding or the rotor winding but not both. So what is the correct answer here? This question is also come in GATE examination 2013. So here right answer will be number D, that flux links the stator winding or rotor winding but not both. If any time the flux is not link both winding, then this flux is known as a leakage flux. That's why right answer is number D. Next question is here on the screen. Question is, the principle of operation of a three-phase induction motor is almost similar to that of. So what is the option here, which is the similarly operation of the three-phase induction motor? Here asked, option are given: A, synchronous motor; B, repulsion start induction motor; C, transformer with a shorted secondary; and last option D, capacitor start induction motor. So here right answer will be C number, that is transformer with shorted secondary. Friends, if you have learned the transformer open circuit and short circuit test, then you have an idea what we calculate by the short circuiting of transformer. Similarly of that, the induction motor is working. So here right answer will be number C, transformer. Similarly, as a transformer, induction motor works. Next question, the reversing of three-phase induction motor is achieved by. So this question is also important basically for the junior engineering examination. This question is favorite. So how the induction motor can be reversed? Option A, star delta stator; B, DOL stator, auto transformer; and last option is interchanging any two of supply line. So here right answer will be number D. If you interchange the supply frequency or supply line any two sequence, then the rotor rotates in a reverse direction. So this is the right answer, number D. Next, solve the questions. A three-phase 6-pole 50 Hz induction motor is running at 5% slip. What is the slip? 5% slip. What is the speed of the motor? So here asked, what is the rotor speed or what is the speed of the motor? Same thing is that. So if we calculate the motor speed, that is NR. Here one equation is there to solve these questions. NR equal to NS into 1 minus S. Here this S is slip, and if you put this equation all the data, then you may find the value of the NR, which is the speed of the motor, that is 950 rpm. So, right answer here number D. Friends, you also solve this equation, and N is equal to 120 F by P, and here in question F is given 50 hertz and P is 6 poles. So, I think you can calculate this little mathematics. So, I clear this and proceed to the next question. Let us see the questions, friends. The cogging occurs in induction motor due to, why in induction motor cogging is occurred. So, the option is given is A, harmonic induction torque, B, harmonic synchronous torque, and C, vibration torque, and last option D, both A and B. Here right answer will be harmonic synchronous torque. In an induction motor, always the cogging occurs because the harmonic synchronous torque is there. That is why cogging is introduced. Next, solve the next question. This is also favorite for junior engineering examination basically. During plugging of an induction motor, phase sequence is reversed. B, a DC source is connected to stator. C, one phase is open circuited, and last option is D, power is feedback to mains. So, what is the correct answer for this question? If you know the plugging, what is the plugging, then you can solve this question very easily. The plugging is says that the phase sequence of the sequence of three phase is reversed. So, here right answer will be number A. Proceed to the next question. See the question. Question is, linear induction motor is used in, so question is here, where the linear induction motor is used. Option is A, traction, B, magnetic attraction, C, mechanical workshop, D, textile mill. So, where the induction motor is used, linear induction motor? Friends, we all have seen in a train or locomotive, which is called also the traction, there has used the linear induction motor. So, here right answer is number A. Proceed to the next question. We are solving very frequently the questions because time is very less. The question is, a single phase induction motor is A, self-starting, B, not self-starting, C, self-starting with help of an auxiliary winding, D, none of above. So, what is the induction motor starting in case of single phase induction motor? So, the single phase induction motor is not self-starting, but if we anyhow given the auxiliary winding like a capacitor, or we have split if the conductor, then also we can start the single phase induction motor. So, here right answer will be number C, which is self starting with help of an auxiliary winding. So, right answer is number C. Also, I want to include here the single phase induction motor is not self starting, it is acting as a repulsion flux. That is why it is always not self starting, and also it creates some vibration, and to operate this always use auxiliary winding. I hope you understand this concept of single phase induction motor. And you know, single phase induction motor is our fan, ceiling fan is one kind of single phase induction motor. And next proceed to the next question. See the question. Those questions are basically the utilization of induction motor. The question is, for toys the preferred motor is A. shaded pole motor, B. capacitor run motor, reluctance motor, and D. universal motor. So, which kind of motor is used for the toys or baby's toys which are used for the baby? So, shaded pole type of motor is used basically for the toys making. And next question is, this question is we know, we have seen the motor but we ignore that's why maybe we are not able to answer this, but I clear here. Which of the following motor is suitable for timing and control purpose? So, answer is A. Right answer will be A. reluctance motor. Series motor, repulsion motor, or any other kind of motor are not used when we are using or controlling the time. In our clock also the reluctance type of a small motor is there, but we have don't seen any time very suitably. So, do not worry, here the right answer will be reluctance motor. No series motor is used. Series motor is used in kind of traction. And last question is there. I think you may see the question. The question is, the speed regulation of a 3-phase induction motor at full load is about. So, the option A 4%, B 8%, 15% and 25%. So, what is the correct answer of the speed regulation when the full load is active? So, around 4%, around, not exactly we can say 4%, but here the right answer will be A, because here given the 4%, maybe it 3 to 4% the regulation of induction motor. So, friends, here we have completed 10 important MCQ questions you see, and at the last I want to say thank you for your watching these videos. This is the educational platform, friends. If you want to join with us, please subscribe our channel and also press the like button. So, I will be encouraged to do another videos this kind of informative, and let's share with your friends so that knowledge will share everybody. And at the last I would like to say thank you and bye bye. We will see in a next video very soon.